Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, we got a little bit of everything on the weather menu this week. In the near term, though, a nice little spring break from our winter period. Temperatures pushing the lower 70s today. Will be upper 60s tomorrow. Mid 70s on Wednesday, but by Wednesday night, the 30s will be back again. So get ready. Here we go. Let's take a look at the big picture. We got this. First off, let's take a look at our drone shot. I believe we have one from out there today. And again, generally fair sky, some clouds beginning to move in from the west. And that will be the story as we head into the evening hours as well. More cloud cover on the way. And we can see that off in the western skies, eastern skies as well. Some cloud cover as well. So let's take a look at the big picture across the lower 48 as we look at that upper level pattern. We have this upper level low here in Texas. Slow mover. It's been really inducing plenty of cloud cover and precipitation down across Texas, but not here in Louisiana. And farther to the north, look at all these winter storm watches, winter storm warnings in pink. So we'll see a lot of this blue going to pink, just like hurricane watches and warnings. You go from the watch to the warning when it's expected within 24 hours. So a big weather system on the way, and these watches and warnings will be going all the way up through the northeast. We'll have more on that in just a bit. Near term, though, we do have plenty of shower activity offshore. This stuff that's over here is very light and not reaching the ground because our atmosphere is still too dry, but a lot of convergence here. Houston on southward, where there's been a good soaking today, but that upper level low is going to be diving toward the Gulf of Mexico, so that's where the bulk of the precipitation is going to go as we head into the overnight hours. Now, some of that shower activity will be spilling northward into Acadiana overnight tonight through tomorrow morning. Rain chances about 30%, but that's kind of an average of 10% to the north and about 60% down to the south. So a little bit better rain chances as we get into the coastal parishes overnight tonight. Then tomorrow, scattered showers as that load opens up to a weak trough. So I don't think it's going to be a complete rain out of a day. It's just going to be scattered showers from time to time, not wet constantly. So that is the good news there. And we get a bit of a break. Temperature-wise, will hold near 64 low tomorrow night. That's close to our normal high of 63, 64 this time of year. And then Wednesday afternoon, we get into the mid 70s before this front arrives, and rain chances suppressed a little bit on Wednesday, but pick up Wednesday night into Thursday. We're looking at near 100% chance of rain at some point during the day on Thursday. And then winter weather back across Texas, an icy situation, maybe some snow over by DFW and points to the west over toward Wichita Falls as well, but we're going to miss out on that. If we take a look at the GFS model, boy, that winter precip gets close to us, but the main impetus moves away. There could be a little wintry mix as this winds up Thursday night, but I wouldn't plan on it. And then winter is here. Temperatures in the 30s and 40s for highs and lows, and going into Saturday night into early Sunday, another weak system coming in, and that one might actually have a little winter precip with it, although the model's not advertising it yet. We kind of know better, depending on what the temperature regime is going to be, that we could see a wintry mix, but nothing that's going to stick. So it looks like our chance of winter precipitation is really on the wane. Going through at least Tuesday of next week, still chilly weather, highs in the 50s, lows in the 30s. So winter's going to be around for another week after Wednesday. Rainfall tomorrow, maybe a tenth or a quarter of an inch, higher amounts down toward the coast, but not a big soaking tomorrow. But we add the rains coming in Wednesday night into Thursday, and we see those rain totals approaching a couple of inches, even up to 2 to 3 as you get over towards southeast Texas. So it does look like we'll get a pretty good soaking ahead. And by the way, we've only had 1.77 inches for the entire month of January, normal 593, so well below normal rainfall wise for the first month of the year. Check out the snow model. Here's another big snowstorm shaping up from the Midwest through the Northeast, 1 to 2 feet of snow, and south of that area we're going to see an icing event developing, and this is going to be a crippling ice event anywhere from Dallas through Oklahoma through Arkansas. Once you get into the half-inch of ice range or higher, that means power outages, impassable road travel. So this is going to be a full winter weather system, but notice all of that misses us to the north. So we'll have to wait and see for us for the next couple of weeks, and then we're done with our winter weather threats. Temperatures mid to upper 50s by tomorrow morning, upper 60s tomorrow afternoon. We hold in the 60s tomorrow night, and we'll be basking in mid 70s as we head into Wednesday. But notice not too far away, you get up to Oklahoma City, 25 degrees and a wintry mix up there. And we're not going to get into the 20s, but certainly we're going to get a lot colder later this week. So not nearly as chilly tonight. Those clouds thickening, showers developing toward daybreak tomorrow. About a rain chance at about 60%. Breezy southeasterly winds, so 68 will feel a little bit cooler with that damp wind coming in from the Gulf of Mexico. I'm toning down rain chances down to 20 or 30%, no higher than 40% on Wednesday. And then Wednesday night into Thursday, soaking rains on the way, and then the return of winter temperatures. So this week will require maybe some shorts and T-shirts early in the week, then wet weather gear, followed by your heavy coats and jackets. Jim, Marcel?